So this is the crustacean that we're fighting today. So somebody says, you just chat with me, mate. You know chat, mate. Hello, how you doing? Right, so that's a van bush done. On to the next van down there. Lovely stuff. That was the weapon of choice. US Pro 36 and Trident 36. Two 36s, some 10mm rod, a couple of washers, a couple of nuts. We did give this a good old clean. You can see we've grazed the life out of that, even the boots. Just didn't want to tear the boots. Happy days. Happy days on that. Get caliper back on it. Bolt marm in. Bolt marm now, sorry. That was the bush that was in it. See, we didn't actually need to go right through it, but I think it relieved the pressure in it. It's split it there. So it's split it. And then we were able to chop it out with my big Landrover chisel. Not that one, it's a punch. So we'll get it back together now. It's got nice new wheel nuts as well on it, so happy days, somebody's done that. You can see the old bush. Doing nothing. Okie dokes. One new bush up there. And one new bush in there. Aye. Quality stuff. Quality. Not easy. Not easy. What's happened there? Oh man, bushies, a little bit fooped. Right, tackle these crustaceans. Yeah, quality. Hooah! 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 Right, eat a big spanner. She's gone. Hey, quality contraption. So the big l320, we've got the sniffer test on it. It is intermittently misfiring. We do have a sniffer test on it. The coolant bottle is low. It's not right low, but it is. There you go, there's a miss. There's a miss. Might have cleared now. It's still pumping it kind of white. I know it's cold and that's hot exhaust gases mixing with the... But look at it, it looks white to me. It should suggest coolant and it's misfiring. I let the car warm up for about half a shift, to be honest with you, because I couldn't get it to fault. I've got the car in expecting suspension fault, to be honest with you. It does say all special programmes are off inside. But the car was I had some codes for misfires, so I went, I'll let it cool down, I'll start it up the next day. I didn't get a chance to start it the next day, and it was the following day, so it sat for 2 days. Fired the thing up, and now there you go, I can confirm there that there is misfires. So I let it warm up. I didn't do anything else, I let it warm up. I got it home. I didn't get about 2 miles away from the garage, and it kind of, you could feel it starting to intermittently misfire. The temperature gauge was a way up, whilst the viscous just locked on by the sounds of it. So it's got quite hot already by the sounds of it. But I was misfiring as it got hotter, and then it kind of went into limp home mode. And when I say limp home mode, I think it shut one of the banks down because it was crawling, absolutely crawling. But yeah, we cycled the ignition, turned it off, let it sit for a minute in the traffic, started it back up, and it was okay. Once we were out of the traffic and we were moving, it was fine, but the temp gauge was higher than what I would expect on it, to be honest with you. So ongoing, we do have a sniffer test, we will let it warm up. We can see the fluid's blue, it should be blue. If it changes any kind of colours, then we know there's exhaust gases, and that's what we hope there isn't, to be honest with you. Hope there isn't exhaust gases, compression getting into the coolant basically. Yeah, I mean, it's not to say it's not coming through one of these ER coolers or something like that, but certainly it's got a misfire 4, 5 and 6 it was saying, and it is doing it quite intermittently, so stay tuned on this one I think. Let's see. So there you go. I'd say we're done. I'd say we're done a bank. That's not good. So the engine's shutting itself down. Sound a bit rough, innit? Oh, what's happened to it? Part brake full. F. What the hell is an F? Fail. Transmission fault limited. Part brake fault. System check in progress. See, temp gauge is right high on that though, I think. Oh, it's still doing it. Oh, aye. Oh, you can't drive that, man. Oh, I think this is knackered. Oh yeah. It's only running in half engine. Still blue, so that's a good sign at least. There you go, that's how far we made it. It's got all the faults, engine faults. Yep. We never made it! Never made it! We'll try and switch it off. Right, come on, motor. Go! No, that's it. That's it, we're flat out. Oh, it's not going to make it.
We are making it.
We're making it.
We made it. I can see Granny now.
No go. Missing. So I've been waiting, and I've been waiting, and I've been waiting. And I always knew it'd be a Land Rover that gave me bingo. Like that, all of them. So those modules, if it had those modules, I bet we'd get bingo on that one too. That's brilliant, isn't it? All l320s, don't let me down. So, ooh. That is smoky. It is smoking. Seen it smoking. So 4, 5 and 6. I mean the history about speed control. This is going to be a bit of crash record output circuit intermittent. Lost communication with engine control module. Ride control module. So it's Basically there's communication with everything. Park and bike module, we don't use it. There's lots of faults, man. System voltage unstable. Transfer case. Air spring valve. Air supply of air spring. Internal control. Software incompatibility. Steering angle sensor. That is all moving a bit. Steering angle sensor. All history codes. Permanent control module. Audio. Permanent heater in lockout mode. LUN heat communication. There's lots of faults in this bad boy. This one is causing intermittent. I think we'll drive it and see what it does. We'll need to clear all those. Okie doke. A sick puppy Range Rover. So smoky. There you go, heard of that. Takes a while on me. Is that really a coincidence or? I'd say so, eh? There you go, fixed. GR's blanked off on that side. Blanked on that one too. It's had a wee remark. I'd do it better. Certainly when I were at smoke.